Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.
Thank you for following Crypto Millionaire Academy, guys. I really appreciate your support of the channel. Today's video, I'm just going to go over something our VIP members recently made. I made some calls in the VIP group, and the VIP group has been making, they made 100% gain on this call. So I just shared this call with you guys to, hey, join the VIP group. If you're already a member of Knockout Crypto, don't forget that you could join the VIP group, the Discord group at any time. If you're already a member, you can join the Discord group at any time. Okay, guys. You just have to let me know your name and the Patreon. Okay. So we were up 100% on this call. We're up 100% on a lot of calls. There's no reason why you shouldn't join the VIP. You should just go to Crypto Million, Crypto Fastlane VIP. You could join the free Discord here if you don't want to pay, but there's no reason for you not to join the Discord group. You can get access into your email and card number here and join. And we're making calls that are making money for people who are in our group. So I want to just go over really quick a call that we made. This was Sushi Swap. I made this call in the VIP group. Currently, Sushi Swap is $6.72. I made the call in the VIP group at 3:18. Second call of the year. Look for Sushi's price to increase soon. This was January 2nd, 2021. I made the call January 2nd, 2021. Today we are at January 15th, January 16th, and we're at 672. Almost 120% gain. And I just want to encourage you guys, when we make these huge gains like this, 120% gain, there's other calls in the group that I've made that have done really well in the VIP. So, once you join the VIP, you'll get access to the Fastlane VIP picks. And once you get access to that, you can see our calls. But it's gonna pay for itself. So it's it pays for itself. The membership pays for itself. And if you want to see some of the previous calls, just join the Discord here. Go to cryptomillion.co. Go to cryptomillion.co. And join the Discord here to see what's next. Are you ready to make profits of trading crypto? Are you tired of losing trades and your money to the market? Are you ready to switch from the slow lane to the fast lane of winning trades now? Do you want to know when to buy and sell the crypto market? Are you looking for the next 100x undervalued crypto gem? No more excuses. Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group right now. Exclusive Discord access to Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP group. Receive access to our private Discord channels, which offers our members trading calls, options calls, early price predictions. Fastlane VIP access up-to-date alerts, up-to-the-minute alerts on crypto news and price alerts that can make you money. We do the work so you don't have to. You also get access to our 100x undervalued alts that have potential to change your portfolio. This list will always update with new lower market cap crypto gems often. You get access to our crypto market trading calls, the VIP access to Binance calls, Fastlane VIP access to undervalued 100x crypto gems, Fastlane VIP access to our community of highly skilled traders. Join now, only 100 slots available before this is unavailable to new members. So you want to join that now. And also, so the coin that we call was Sushi Swap. Sushi Swap is 672. Sushi Swap, a lot of people underestimate it, but if you go to DeFi Post, there's $23 billion locked in DeFi projects right now, and Sushi Swap's number 6 with $1.91 billion locked, which is higher than Synthetics. And Synthetics and Balancer are on Coinbase already, but Sushi Swap has more money locked. Curve as well. You have Uniswap, which is on Coinbase. Compound and Aave are on Coinbase, and Maker, I believe, are all on Coinbase. So Sushi Swap, when you think about it, should be on Coinbase too, because it's right there with 1.91 billion in total value locked. So I think Sushi Swap is an undervalued project, and I thought that back on January 2nd, 2021, when I called it at 318, I was like, hey, second call of the year, look for Sushi's price to increase soon, get in at 318. I told everyone at 318 to get in. So our group gets these calls first, and they make the money first. And as you saw here, Sushi Swap is currently, let me go if I can find out. Some people are like, well, where can you get Sushi Swap? Well, you can get Sushi Swap by going to sushiswapclassic.org. You can go there, get Sushi Swap there, unlock your wallet, tie a wallet to it to figure out how to get Sushi Swap. I think it's on these different markets. You could go to different markets. You could get Sushi Swap. So let's say people say, well, what is Sushi Swap? Let me just go with that real quick. So Sushi Swap is an example of an automated market maker and increasingly popular tool among cryptocurrency users. Automated market makers are decentralized exchanges which use smart contracts to create markets for any given pair of tokens. SushiSwap launched in September 2020 as a fork of Uniswap, the AMA, which has become synonymous with the decentralized finance movement and associated trading boom in DeFi tokens. SushiSwap aims to diversify the AMM market and also add additional features not previously present on Uniswap, such as increased rewards for network participants via its in-house token, SushiSwap. So the main audience for SushiSwap is DeFi traders and associated entities looking to capitalize on the boom in project tokens and create liquidity. AMAs do away with order books entirely while avoiding problems such as liquidity issues which hamper traditional decentralized exchanges. SushiSwap aims to improve on the offerings of its parent Uniswap by increasing the impact users can have on its own operations in the future. The platform takes a 0.3 cut from transactions occurring in its liquidity pools, while its Sushi token is used to reward users portions of those fees. Sushi also entitles users to governance rights. More recently, de facto ownership of SushiSwap was passed to Sam Bankman-Fried. He's the CEO of derivatives exchange FTX and quantitative trading startup Alameda Research. Bankman-Fried is a well-known participant in cryptocurrency market commentator, regularly appearing in media interviews. So it's actually owned by a credible person who owns a big exchange of crypto, FTX exchange. So that's very credible for SushiSwap. Anyway, like I was saying, join our group because you're going to get these calls earlier. And these calls will make you money, right? And that's the purpose why a lot of us are in crypto, to make money. Crypto millionaire fast lane. I know people say, well, I'm in it for the technology. No, you're not. A lot of people are in crypto to make money. Let's just be honest, right, guys? So if you want to make money and you want to join our group to get calls like SushiSwap early. We call it at 318. It is now $6.74. Want to join our group and get in early and make money? Go to cryptomillion.co, join the group. Guys, appreciate your support. Stay safe during the pandemic, guys, and God bless America.
Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.